green tea gel will give you soft and smoother skin. It will calm down your skin. It will also reduce the puffiness and tiredness in your skin. It will reduce your dark circles and freckles, and also it will give some good effect in the blackheads also. So guys, now I will show you how to make it. Hello guys, this is Uzma Sheikh and welcome to my channel U.S Beauty. My today's video is a DIY video of how to make a green tea soothing gel which will soothe your skin and which will calm down your skin in this summer. So let's start now. All you have to do is to take green tea, some cucumber gel, or you can also use aloe vera gel, and now I will show you how to make a green tea soothing gel. So first of all, we will take a teaspoon of green tea. I will take a green tea teaspoon full of green tea. Then what you have to do next is you have to take some water. I will take 2 to 3 spoon of water. Not 2 to 3 spoon, but I will take 4 to 5 spoon of it, because you have to also add some to the gel, and I will mix it properly. Then you have to leave it for 5 minutes. I will leave it for 5 minutes. And guys, I must tell you that the water you take in adding the green tea must be warm water, so that it mix properly, unless it won't get mixed properly. Okay, 5 minutes have occurred, and now we will strain this green tea. So I'll strain this. I will take this and I will strain this. As you can see, we have got some strained water of green tea. Now what you have to do, guys, now you have to take a bowl. I have took the bowl, and now I will put 1 tablespoon of cucumber gel. You can also use aloe vera gel, but I'm using cucumber gel. So I'm taking some cucumber gel in it. And now I will put 1 teaspoon of this green tea water in it. I will put it directly. And then we will mix it well. I will mix it well. You can see it has mixed well. It is mixing properly. And now, after mixing it well, now what you have to do is wash your face with cold water and apply this gel on your face and keep it for 20 to 25 minutes and then wash it off. You can also use this as a night cream and also night serum, and you will definitely see a great result in your skin, and also your skin will calm down, and it will also heal your acne and everything. So guys, please give it a try, and please do tell me whether it worked for you or not, and please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Thank you guys. Stay blessed.